Out of focus at the Sao, activist Sonam Wangchuk has ended his hunger strike after 26 days after the government assured that no legal action would be taken against those protesting against exam paper leaks. The Cockroach Janata Party, who is leading the protests, has welcomed the development and thanked Wangchuk for his courage and sacrifice. But it also added that the protest would continue until the Union Education Minister resigns. A delegation of the CJP is expected to meet government ministers today. CJP founder Abhijit Dibke said Wangchuk's decision to end the fast brought relief to his supporters and praised his role in drawing national attention to the issue. Wangchuk began his fast at Jantar Mantar before being taken to hospital in view of his health. Remember, he broke his fast in the presence of Union Ministers JP Nadda and Jitendra Singh. Wangchuk said that his decision followed a long negotiation on various conditions. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Modi has promised that more action would follow on Friday in paper leak cases. He said that a bill with provisions for strict action against paper leaks will be introduced in Parliament soon.
मैंने आज फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट के लिए विभागों को निर्देश दिए थे। आज विभागों ने लगातार मेहनत करके देर रात मुझे मुसद्दा भी दे दिया। फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट और कठोर सजा के प्रावधान के साथ का ये मुसद्दा कल कैबिनेट में चर्चा होगी। कैबिनेट के साथियों के सुझाव के बाद उसका अंतिम रूप दिया जाएगा और सोमवार से संसद का दूसरा सप्ताह शुरू हो रहा है, तब जल्द से जल्द उस बिल को सदन में पारित कराने का प्रयास किया जाएगा।
The Prime Minister's post came after the Delhi High Court announced a fast-track court to hear such cases. The centre has shifted Higher Education Secretary Vineet Joshi and appointed new officials to top positions in both the school education and higher education departments. Reacting to Prime Minister Modi's message, the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, called it a pathetic midnight video and reiterated that students want Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. On Thursday, leader of opposition had led opposition lawmakers to Gandhi Smriti, where they paid homage at Mahatma Gandhi as an expression of solidarity with protesting students and their demands. Hundreds continued to pour into Jantar Mantar as the protest showed no sign of winding down. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation has again announced that 17 metro stations they will remain closed on Friday until further instructions.